Hi everyone, today we are back with the Whal 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner, model EV691. It has 22 kPa of suction power, LED lights, it's cyclonic, and of course battery powered. It has 6 kPa in standard mode, 10 in medium, and 22 in max, 14 to 53 minutes of runtime, 5 hours to charge, 250 watts of power, not air watts of power, like electrical power, a 2200 milliamp hour lithium battery, 0.5 liter dust cup, and it weighs 3.8 kilos. So we're going to unbox this machine. All right. Instructions. So here's the power head right here. So it does have anti-tangle combs back here, as you can see right there. Let's see, we have 3 different types of brushes. Blue is the softest, black is in between, and red is the stiffest of the bristles. We have the crevice tool dusting brush combo. A little bit stiff for a dusting brush, but not bad. We have this wall mounted charger. So you have to put the vacuum in the wall mount to charge it, unfortunately. We have an extra filter. It is a pleated filter, if you can see on the inside. Yeah, you can see that. We have the hand unit itself, along with what appears to be the battery, which is right, this thing right here. Now, this has to be the battery. It's heavy. I'm going to take a guess that it goes something like that. Oh. Pretty nice. Let's see, can you attach this for stairs? Yes, you can. All right, and finally we have the tube. This tube must be telescoping because it looks really short. Yes, it does. It telescopes. Good. Let's see this battery. So yeah, it's a 2200 milliamp hour battery. Decently heavy. See, this is the battery right here. It clicks into the bottom of the vacuum like so. Pretty easy to take out and put in, just like that. So the charger works like this. It's pretty easy. Now, I'm not going to wall mount this, but you can if you want to. So to access the filters, just take the bin off like so. Then you can pull the center filter out. And if you want to access this filter, you can do that by rotating. Pretty interesting design. So stay tuned, because there will be a test video coming on this soon. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you all in the next one.